What's going on, everybody? Milwaukee Buck here, coming to you guys from Boulder City in Nevada. Local time is 12:30 p.m. I'm about 2 hours away from Kingman, and I believe I'm about 4.5 hours away from my final destination, Arizona. Traffic is actually pretty tight up here. Looks like it's moving up there, but we can't see well because we got a long line in the left turn lane, trying to head towards the Hoover Dam. I believe that's the next come on, dude, what the fuck, man? My apologies. People do that all the time. I'm all messed up over here. Once again, we are in Boulder City, Nevada. About to getting very close to Hoover Dam, which is magnificent. It's actually pretty darn nice, even from this perspective, looking outside, at the truck. I'm gonna try to lower myself so you guys can get a better view of the sky. Let me go over here. I'm hoping you guys will enjoy the view. I just got done eating my carne asada burrito. Oh God. What I put on my burrito, or asked for, requested, is that no pico de gallo. Add sour cream to it, and some come with salsa and some don't. It depends on the place. But either way it go, it's delicious. That's a given. Looks so nice down there. It looks like a lake. Then again, you can mistake it for like very light blue skies or clouds, or we're on a slight decline, and then it should gradually rise because we have to go over the Hoover Dam. I'm not sure if I have service through there. I'm constantly having to switch signals from Wi-Fi to you know, my phone mobile data. I have unlimited data, but it's just, you know, when you're traveling like this, the signal, especially over these rock or below these rock cliffs, and I guess you can say rock faces or whatsoever, you jump in and out of service, it blocks your service, but it's all good. I try to get the best video I could possibly get. I spent 17 minutes at the Morton's Travel Plaza Center, whatever you would like to call it. It was so well worth it. I thought about stopping at this casino right here on the left. I don't know. I haven't had any interest. It's the Hoover Dam Casino, or I guess you could say Lodge. Hoover Dam Lodge. I kind of wonder what's all in there. I guess I just like to see the lights and what type of people are in there. Looks like they have heli tours somewhere around here. I guess you get on the helicopter and you fly around. I want to get around this guy, this pickup truck. Let's slow down here. And here we are, Hoover Dam. The eastern side of it. Actually, the western side. Oh, God. Why do these people why don't they ever just go? Why do they have to hold up traffic? But this is my first time getting pretty good footage of the Hoover Dam. Which is great, because I didn't think I would have service along this little stretch of highway. For a minute there, I thought they were doing construction. I always, whenever I would come up here, even with my trainer at Swift, I would see people, you know, walking along the walkway on the sides of the bridges and stuff. I once, after leaving my trainer and getting my own truck, there was a car in front of me, and the car, ooh, that was a big hump. I didn't expect that one. Strong crosswinds possible. But there was a car in front of me, and when we got like to this part of it, as you can see the people on the side there, yeah, we got to like this part, but I was heading west. I was heading west, and the car like stopped, literally, like darn near came to a dead stop. And I'm like, what the heck? You can't do that. This guy on the side of me works for JB Hunt. God, this is beautiful. Look at this. But yeah, the car stopped. That guy nodded at me. That's why I paused for a second. Gotta be aware out here, but yeah. I was a little ticked, of course, because I couldn't understand it. But anyway, we got a nice view of the Hoover Dam. Someday I hope to actually walk it and take you guys with me. See what it's like to actually breathe the air that is coming through Hoover Dam. That would be pretty sweet. Anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go and let this video upload. Once again, that was the Hoover Dam. It was my pleasure showing you guys that piece of road. Thanks. Have a nice day. Please like, comment, subscribe. It is greatly appreciated, and I hope to bring you guys more videos in the future. I'm signing off here. Goodbye.